So, alright guys, I'm gonna hop up on this WD-45 here, back her up just a little, and then I will pull her forward. See, I'm right against almost right against the drawbar on that hay, but it is what it is. So let's back this baby up a little bit. Oh, I am on, okay. I gotta engage my hand clutch here, guys. This phone, when I need to grab it with my other hand, it shuts it off every time. That button is right in the way. Am I in gear? Yep, I am. Tell you what, guys, I am going to use the hand clutch. I'm just going to do that. Alright. Alright. Now I can't get too much cut on it here, guys. I couldn't get my tiller to start to get it much farther out of the way. Standing in a lot of mud, but so here's this 1955 tiller. It's got a built engine in it. It's built for tractor pulls, and it's got about 40 hours on it. It's a beast. It's got more horsepower than my 67 horsepower C17. So we'll give her a little more gas, make sure she's warmed up. Do too much of that, guys. My toolbox will rattle a little up there, the lid rattles on it. And the old-time Alice Chalmers mechanics wanted them to backfire, to pop twice. And when they did, they knew they were at maximum pulling power. I just happened to luck out when I was tuning this up. I timed it all by ear, and I didn't have a timing light. And of course, I grew up timing things by ear a whole lot. So let's pull on up here and get her up a little farther, get the front end up in there to where I can get other stuff in here. I don't know if I'm going to clear the drawbar. I can't see in there. Run over anything important here. There we are, we're farther up this time. Alright, we're almost against that old incubator, guys. This is where I wanted it to be. Another few weeks I'll be pulling these other tractors out of here. So guys, this is going to go to video, not too short. It's going to go to video.